So you don't know what fronted adverbials are? You're not alone. Many adults haven't got a clue what they are either, even though they use them all the time. So don't get too stressed about not being able to name all the sentence parts. Great writing is about more than just labels. After all, you can still be a great athlete without knowing the names of all your muscles. But hey, a little knowledge can't hurt. So let's unravel the mystery together and dive into the world of fronted adverbials. Let's begin with the basics that I'm sure you already know. A verb is a doing word, an action. Adverbs add to the verb. They give more information about the action. An adverb might answer the how question. I walk briskly. An adverb might answer the where question. I walk in the park. An adverb might answer the why question. I walk for exercise. An adverb might answer the when question. I walk every morning. You'll notice that adverbs can be a single word, and they can be a group of words known as an adverbial phrase. Whilst these 4 simple sentences each answer just one question about the action, this sentence is more complicated and answers all 4 questions. I walk briskly every morning in the park for exercise. Adverbs and adverbial phrases can go in different positions in the sentence. The artist painted carefully. The artist carefully painted. Carefully, the artist painted. Notice how in this last sentence a comma is needed after the adverb. Because the adverb appears at the beginning of the sentence, it is called a fronted adverbial. So why do we use fronted adverbials? And what makes them so special? Firstly, they give you variety. When you begin a sentence with an adverb or an adverbial phrase, you're breaking free from those same old predictable sentence structures. They make your sentences sound fresh and different, which helps to keep your reader engaged. But that's not all. Fronted adverbials also provide emphasis. They shine a light on what's important, making it stand out in the narrative. We've already seen how adverbs and adverbial phrases can go in different positions in the sentence. But what you might not be aware of is how the position you choose can affect the meaning of the sentence. Take a look at these 2 sentences. Quietly, I open the door. I open the door quietly. Which one seems to be quieter? The first one, right? It's a very subtle difference, but there's definitely a difference. Using quietly at the beginning of the sentence shines a spotlight on the importance of it, making the quietness the thing we focus on, not the opening of the door. Here are some other examples. Tara danced gracefully. Gracefully, Tara danced. It feels like Tara was more graceful in the second sentence. We entered the haunted house with cautious steps and beating hearts. With cautious steps and beating hearts, we entered the haunted house. We seem more nervous in the second sentence. And fronted adverbials are not only useful for story writing, they are also a really effective persuasive tool. I write to you about the plight of the Philippine eagle with tears in my eyes. With tears in my eyes, I'm writing to you about the plight of the Philippine eagle. Our new show is opening tomorrow. Tomorrow is the opening of our new show. Adverbs and adverbial phrases help explain how, why, where, and when an action occurs. When they are used at the start of a sentence, they are called fronted adverbials. Fronted adverbials help shine a spotlight on what is important for your reader to focus on. So begin using them today.